Assalamualaikum, my name is Mr. Izuan and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about this. Do you know what this is? Now this is a die. Dadu. If it's only one, we call it die, but if there are more than one, we call them dice. So this die or dadu, what is it? It is a cube with 6 different faces or sides marked with a different number of dots or pips. Can you see the dots? Let's take a look at every sides or faces of this die. Okay, this is the first one. So there is only one dot. So this face has the number 1. Now what about this side? This side has 1, 2 dots. So this side has the number 2. Now let's turn the die and look at this face. This side has 1, 2, 3 dots. So this side has the number 3. Now what about this one? So this side has 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. So this side has the number 4. Let's turn it again and look at this side. What about this side? This side has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. So this side has the number 5. And last but certainly not least, the face with the most number of dots is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. So this side has the number 6. So how do we play with the die or the dice if you have more than one? We throw the die or the dice on a flat surface like this table or the floor to generate a random number. The side or the face that is facing up is the number that we get. For example, so here, the side that is facing up is 4. So we got the number 4. Let's try again. Now here, the side that is facing up is 1. So we get the number 1. So now that you know what a die, dadu, is, your next teacher is going to provide you with a few exercises. Thank you, Mr. Izuan. You are welcome, Mr. Izuan. So, good luck and take care.